Hello everyone, this is Dr. Srinivasan, Professor, Department of CSE R&D Engineering College. In this video, I'm going to talk about the wallets and its different types. Wallets, of course, is an important one, and it is responsible to keep the bitcoins. It is used to store private as well as public keys as well as bitcoin addresses, and it is responsible for receiving and sending bitcoins. We use private keys to sign the transactions, and this wallet software is the transaction information. We are using different types of wallets. First one is non-deterministic wallet. It generates the private keys that are random and independent of each other. There is no particular pattern as to how the keys are derived. Hence, we need to create a backup of the keys each time there is a new one. The next model is deterministic wallet. The hierarchical deterministic wallet describes the wallet that generates all its keys from a single recovery phase in a tree-like pattern so that we can regenerate the key if it is lost. This recovery phase can be used to recreate the entire wallet even if the wallet is lost or damaged. And the hierarchical deterministic wallet is used to describe the wallet, which is using the seed to derive the public as well as private keys. And HT wallets are implemented as the Bitcoin standard with the 32 protocol. The seed guarantees the parent key, which is used to generate the child keys and subsequently grandchild keys. The key generation in the hierarchical deterministic wallet does not guarantee keys directly. Instead, it produces some information that can be used to generate a sequence of private keys. Then Brain Wallet. Brain Wallet is a special type of crypto wallet that allows users to generate private keys from the memorized passphrase. Unlike the traditional wallets, they store private keys physically or in digital files. Brain wallets rely on the user ability to recall and secure a long and complex passphrase. Paper wallet. And the paper wallet is a printed piece of paper containing the keys or QR codes, and these codes are used to generate the private keys. Here we are using the papers to print the key materials. It requires physical security. Hardware wallets. The hardware wallet is a physical device that stores your user cryptocurrency private keys offline. There are a secure way to store cryptocurrencies and also known as cold wallets. Use a temper-resistant device to store wallets. This temper-resistant device can be custom built or with the advent of NFC-enabled force. This can be a secure element in NFC boards. Sensor and ledger wallets are the most popular used Bitcoin hardware wallets. Similarly, we are using online wallets. Online wallets are stored entirely online and they provide a web interface to the user to manage their wallets. So we can perform all the operations of the wallet using online. The example for this kind of wallet is green address. Mobile wallets. Mobile wallets are installed on mobile devices. They can provide various methods to make payments. Most notably, the ability to use smartphone cameras to scan QR codes quickly and make payments. Mobile wallets are available for the Android platform and iOS platforms. Examples are the blockchain, Bread Wallet, Tote, and Chat. These are some of the popular wallet types, and we are using any one of them for managing our cryptocurrency. Thank you.